Hi, I'm going to share with you some tips that I learned about checking PowerPoints for accessibility. So I've taken one of our tried and true accountability packets, and I'm going to share with you some tips that I learned from Dawn. And this is to help Jay get ready for his presentation this week. So the first thing you do is open the file that you're going to double check, and then you go under File on the left top of your ribbon, click on that, and then go down to the second box and it says Check for Issues, and click on that. Then choose Check Accessibility and click on that. Automatically, the accessibility checker appears on the right column of your screen, and it tells you what you need to go in and correct. So it's telling me that there are 34 alt texts that need to be addressed in this slide deck. There's one slide that has no header row specified. If I open that down arrow, it tells me that on slide 46, there is and this will tell me exactly where the header row needs to be specified. It's also telling me that there are 4 slides that are missing a title. And this is really important for our screen readers, people with disabilities who rely on screen readers, because the screen reader reads the slide title so that then the person knows what they're going to be learning about on that slide. So it's important that every slide has a title. There's some warnings, some unclear hyperlinks text that I can check, and then some tips, some duplicate slide titles. And then the most important is this check reading order. So, and I will show you how to check that, but this is how the screen reader reads the slide. So then the next thing I want to do is add some tools that will help me navigate. So I've added the format background, and then I'm also going to display the selection pane. So the selection pane is what's going to tell the screen reader what order to read things. So now, the selection is over here on the right. So the first thing the screen reader will read on this page is the page number. This is page number 1. Then the next thing the screen reader will read is CASAS technical assistance, blah, blah, blah. And then the last thing will be a picture of the map. And this has, we've added alternate text that says it's a map of California. And the description is a map of California showing counties. So again, the screen reader will describe what's in that image. Okay, so let's start over here. We're going to go to slide 29, picture 4. So here's picture 4. It's telling me, and if I click on this eye, it'll make the object that it's looking at disappear and then come back, so you know exactly what you're dealing with. And so that's asking for alternate text. So if I click on this, then this automatically changes to format picture because it's a picture. And I click on this box, and then it has a place for me to add the title for the alt text and a description. So I'm just going to call this the TOPS update record. And then the description will be TOPS update record. I'm just going to put logo because that's all it is. It's not the actual form. Now, you've seen it's already disappeared from our missing alt tag under the accessibility checker because we've added the alt tag. While I'm on the slide, I'm going to check the reading order. So right now, the first thing it's going to read is this kind of arrow in the middle of the document, which is kind of an odd thing. Then the next thing it would read is the logo. Then the next is a rectangle, what's in this large box. Then the rectangle 2, which is the title, and then the slide number. So the reordering is very easy. I'm always putting the slide number at the top so that the person will know that they're on a new slide. So this is slide 29. Then the next thing needs to be the title. So that's rectangle 2. And I could again close the eye, goes away, click it, it comes back. So that's what I wanted. Then I want it to do rectangle 3, which is the body of it. And the last thing I want it to look at is this logo. And it hit it. So now I need to bring it forward. And I've lost, oh, bring it to the front. There we go. Now it reads better. This straight arrow, I'm going to just delete it because I don't think it adds anything to the display. Okay, so that's it. I hope that, oh, one other thing is that when you click on something in the accessibility checker, like this is slide 30, text box 3, at the bottom, it gives you specific instructions on how to fix it, some ideas. So this is your introduction to it. I challenge you to take one of your favorite slide decks and just go through the accessibility checker and then change the reading order, try to fix it, and we can come together and help each other figure this out. And once we get into a rhythm, it'll be easy. And once we've cleaned up our old decks, as we build new ones, we'll know how to do it better. Thank you.